Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Honda CBR500R. Now this is an A2 legal sports, I'd say it falls into the sports tourer category on account of its high bars, but we'll get to that shortly. It's a 500cc, or actually it's a 471cc parallel twin. These make just under the 47 horsepower threshold for the A2 license. So if you've just passed your test and you're considering a first bike, this could definitely be for you. This also suits people who are looking for a lightweight sport looking bike with a more upright riding position. So if you're looking for something nice and light, that's good on fuel, again, this could be the bike for you. This particular one's a 2016 model year. It's in very good condition. It's done just over 9,000 miles from new, lots and lots of service history. It's been well loved and looked after. It's in nice condition. So I'll show you around, try and point out some bits as we go. So starting at the front, you'll notice that there's just a single disc on this bike. As I said, it is very lightweight. It doesn't need the extra weight of a disc. It stops very well just with the one. It's got ABS and it's got Nissin brakes as well. All in very good condition and a good front end on this bike actually. As I say, it's very, very light. The bodywork is finished in a two-tone metallic, like a burnt orange and a flat black. And it's very, very nice, I have to say. This is the first one in this colour that I've had. I think it looks fantastic. The bodywork's in very good condition. There's no signs of any drops, bangs, scrapes or anything like that. As I said, it's been very well kept. Unlikely that the bike's been ridden in all weathers on account of the fact that the downpipes are still shining. That's a good indication that the bike's either been very well loved or has been ridden in dry conditions only. Coming towards the back, you'll notice that it's got an aftermarket Black Widow exhaust. We sell lots of these, they're a good quality exhaust. It's a stainless downpipe with a carbon end cap, road legal, and sounds very, very nice. It's not obnoxious like some exhausts are, it's quite subtle and understated, but it does sound very nice. As I pan up a little bit higher, you can see that we've got an aftermarket colour-coded seat cowl, which just finishes off the back end. Maybe you could do with a tail tidy on there as well. But it does look very nice at the back end here. So as I come back to the front, you can see the bodywork's in really nice condition. Of course, it's a used bike, so there may be a few little stone chips here and there, but on the whole, there are no major marks or scratches on this bike at all. Around this side, it's very much the same. Bodywork is in very nice condition again. All the fixings are intact. There's no splits or cracks. Chains, sprockets, brakes, tyres, everything like that gets checked during the pre-delivery inspection, and if we find that they are not roadworthy, they get replaced automatically, though this bike, as I said, does seem to be in very nice condition. The bike comes with two keys, comes with lots of service history, the original owner's manuals, etc, etc. It's data tagged. Obviously you can see you've got this tank protector on here as well. It's a fully digital dash on these, so you can see as we just power it up. So on these you've got a fuel gauge, speedo, there's your mileage, 9,572, and your rev counter goes across the top here. Then obviously you've got your ABS light as well. No gear indicator on these, but we could fit one for you for just under £100. We could fit an aftermarket one if you wanted one. Let's give the bike a start up so you can have a listen. As I was saying, it sounds a lot nicer than standard. I have to say, people will hear you coming, but it's not the sort of thing that's going to wake the dead as you drive past a graveyard. Quite subtle and understated. It's a really, really nice bike. As I said, it suits people who are looking for a first bike. The one thing I will say about this bike is it's fitted with a Lust Racing lowering kit, so it's been dropped by about an inch. If the new owner wants, we can put it back to standard, but the seat height is an inch lower than standard. So if you're a little bit like me and a little bit vertically challenged, this may well be the bike for you. The bike will come with a 3-month warranty and free UK delivery. We do offer finance and part exchange as well, so if those are things that you're interested in or you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, we've got live chat, we've got all the social medias. Of course, you can phone us or you can pop into the showroom for a look and a chat. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.